This is a breast, okay? This is the filet mignon. This you never see in a restaurant because the chef ate it already. This will weigh 1 pound each. 1 pound each. A regular portion of this is a third. If you have very hungry people at home, it could be a half. Okay? But a third is plenty. We sell them like this, raw, or we sell them also pre-marinated. The 3 flavors, we have a teriyaki, a Mediterranean, and a Tex-Mex type. So next step is going to be the leg. The leg is, in Gascony, we're very proud of the fact that we invented confit. And confit basically is a way of preserving the meats. And this is when there was no refrigeration. So in the Middle Ages, people didn't have that many ways of preserving meat. One way was to cure animals, to take a whole leg of a wild boar or to take a whole leg of a pig and to salt it very heavily, maybe in a marsh, in salty water that have been dried out a little bit, and then to dry it for 12 months, 18 months, 2 years, 3 years to make a very good prosciutto. That's one way of preserving meat. It's to cure. The salt will take out the humidity, and the further drying will take out even more humidity. The less humidity, the less water you have in the meat, the more you can keep the meat longer, and the less refrigeration you need. Beef jerky, you don't need to put beef jerky in your refrigerator. Why? Because beef jerky has no water left. It's just dried beef. Okay? On the confit, it's the same principle, to the cure a little bit, but then what we do is we cook it very, very slowly in duck fat, so that the flavor, first of all, so that it becomes very tasty and very moist and tender. When you make confit, first you dip this in salt. You put salt, coarse salt, the legs, another layer of coarse salt, and you leave that for 24 hours in a cool place. After that, you take it out, and you will see that the salt is pretty bloody. It's pretty bloody because it was the idea of the salt curing the meat, which means to draw the humidity out of the meat. Okay? So when you take out your leg from the salt, you do not put it back to take the salt out. You do not rinse it, because if you rinse it, you just put back all the water that you took 24 hours to take out. Okay? So you take a piece of cloth and you just gently take out most of the salt. And then you put that leg in simmering duck fat. And that's it. You throw your pieces of meat in there, the wings or the gizzards for 45 minutes, the legs for an hour and a half. So basically, at half the cooking of the legs, you throw your smaller pieces, and at the end, you're done, you have confit. If you store them in little containers on which you add the fat to cover so there is no air, no oxygen coming in, you can keep that in your cellar over the winter. Now that we have vacuum packing facilities, now that we have refrigeration, we can keep it even longer. But that's the idea. Now, this is good just as is, just ready to slice and put on a salad, it's good. But you can very well warm it up under the broiler for 2 seconds, or put a little duck fat in the pan and warm it skin side down, or start your cassoulet.